The last type of the lighting in Cinema 4D, but except physical sky, here is sunlight, the last one. And as you can see, this is a simple light with all tags that I explained before, but we have a sun tag here, sun expression here. Here it is. It is a light with this tag. Just rename that. Or you can click on it, sun, and it's there. Here you can, with the sun, as you can see, you cannot change it because you have to change it with the timing here. As you can see, you can change the timing. Look at. You can set it to the now and to today. You can set it to the current time always or today always. Or select any month that you want. Can close it first. And yeah, this you can set it any month that you are in or the time. Interesting part is this. You can animate the time. You can animate the time. Going to the first frame, click on here, and anywhere in Cinema 4D that you have this type, you can animate it. Bring it to the last frame and change the time to any number that you want. And animate it again. And then go back, and as you can see, you can animate the date, the timing. If you want to animate the date, first let's deactivate the keyframe in a date. Control-Shift-Click. I will be explaining more in the future, don't worry. But you have to activate it, animate date. Now we are in the first frame, keyframe, going to the last frame. And for example, from this time, bring it to this time and set it. And if you play it, and as you can see, we have one full cycle day. And as you can see, because of this option, set light color, it's automatically changed the color of light with its altitude and zoom time and longitude of the sun in this month, if you want. And as you can see, it's automatically also changed the date, the time. Nice. And as you can see, if you go to the general, the color changing automatically, and you cannot change it because in the setting we set it automatically set the light color. Okay. Nice. And here you can manually change the longitude and altitude, as you can see, of the sun manually. Time, zoom time in any city that you are. Nice. And that's it. It's a real sunlight for your lighting. You can use it. Nice. As you can see, the color of it changing. Nice. And hit render. Nice. Okay, this is sunlight. Just it's like other color lights, but we have a sun tag here. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.